Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW 3 Series back seat easy method. Start by opening the trunk and locating the release lever near the top of the rear seat. Fold the center armrest down to reveal any hidden latches. Pull the release lever with a steady motion and push the seat back forward until it clicks into the folded position, ensuring the latch is fully disengaged before closing the trunk. With the trunk open, inspect the top edge of the back seat for a visible pull tab or lever and plan your movement. Use 2 hands to steady the backrest as you pull the release so it folds evenly without scraping. If headrests are adjustable, lower them slightly to prevent obstruction. Once the seat is folded, verify the latch is clear and the backrest sits flat so you can access the trunk opening safely and easily. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips and easy how-to's. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and effortless pickup that frees up time for projects like this. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more about it and similar accessories for your car. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If the seat resists folding, look for a secondary latch inside the cabin near the shoulder area and release it first. A light silicone spray can help free a sticking latch, but avoid heavy oils that attract dirt. If you notice bent components or persistent stiffness, stop and consult the owner's manual or a technician to prevent damage. These cautious steps keep your seats functioning smoothly and protect the interior trim from accidental harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.